now he is, because now he's gonna know that that's right there. But in reality, he really don't want to know.
So now we're in Darvin's garage.
Ignore that we have the same clothes as last video.
Yeah. So now we're working on the subframe again, trying to get these two back differential bushings in. So what we're thinking is these two right here and here, we're gonna drop those a bit just so we can have wiggle room in play to jack the front of the diff up so it lines up with those, and then tighten the back up when they're done.
I'm not gonna lie, I don't think that's gonna fit. Like the actual bushings don't look like they're correct.
Yeah, they stick out.
That's a lot.
They're sticking out that much, and it's already touching the diff back there. So
yeah, this might be a project.
alright, so we're currently taking the bolts off the sway bar to drop them to get better access to the bolt so we don't round or strip anything again.
Yo, this might break. What's the rest of it?
The rest of what?
The rest of this.
That's a good question. I would probably use it as a breaker bar at one point.
Yo, fire and like WD-40 works very good to remove a sway bar. Well, to remove any bolt. How far do I gotta remove it?
All the way out.
Yo, that helped. Actually, that helped a lot. So, that means that this should just...
Is it lined up?
I have no idea. I did not check it out.
No, we gotta jack the back of the diff up. Alright, so...
Back of the diff.
So now that's it. So this one, we got it one jack on the subframe, one jack on the diff. We got it lined up, so it's actually in properly.
I just don't know if it's gonna... I don't know if it's gonna go in like all the way though.
I mean, on the inside, it's decently all the way
Well, yeah,
through.
but I gotta still torque it and do all that and see how far like the bushing actually does go in, because that's a lot of it out. Like even before, like a lot of it was out, but not this much.
I mean,
This is OD.
If you don't wiggle, it'll be good. And if you bolt it down, it's not going nowhere.
This is the thing. That one is frozen.
What are you blowtorching? Oh, it went in easy. You just...
Huh?
I didn't even heat it up. I just hit it in. Let's see, that one's cold. That one's not cold. It's going in.
That one went in, and now... Because this one, if you don't line it up straight, you're gonna have to take it back out and do all this extra stuff that nobody wants to do.
That top one's in, right?
Yeah. Try that.
Threading?
Pretty short. Yeah.
Easy.
Did I take this one off for you? Nah, but there's still a lot of space to go. That's what I'm saying. Oh, I was gonna take the impact of it. I gotta look up the torque specs for it.
You actually gonna torque it down?
I'm supposed to, you know. If I mess that up, I'm gonna have to buy a whole new diff. Even though I know I could just like rethread it, but...
Oh yeah, that is aluminum.
A who?
Aluminum.
Yeah, I don't know him either.
Differential mounting bolt. Right there. £1 70. You can't see that at all, but trust me, it's 70. That's 70.
Another one. Tight. Let's throw this back in the car right now.
We gotta tighten your front again now.
Oh yeah.
How does it go? That's it, 2 bolts.
Where's the bracket? Oh, there's the bracket. I was looking for this. And that goes. Where's the top of it?
Yeah.
Apparently this goes like this, and then there's something on top of it.
Like, it goes like that, and then it bolts up in there like that.
So, yo. So, wait, but look at that one. Oh, yeah, that makes sense. Yeah, that makes sense. That's good enough. Torqued to 15 foot-pounds. 15 foot-pounds. I could probably get like 1 or 2 of them. Yeah, just keep it down like cool. Alright, so yeah, these are actually, I can't see me. So these are torqued to 105, not 70,
yeah,
and the front ones are 70. Oh, you don't have to hold it that much, I'm just doing this one. Are you sure?
That's what it said.
That's crazy. This isn't a good problem. Yeah. Oh, I'm doing it the whole. Do not torque anything like this. This is the whole wrong way. This is because of what we have. Yo, that's my weight. I just realized that.
Full body weight.
Yeah, exactly. Okay.
He pushing himself.
Am I stuck? Oh. There it is. I bought this for one purpose, and it fulfilled its purpose, and I don't think I'm going to return it now.
No.
I can't even see.
You gotta show them.
So, ignore those on the... Wait, that's not even on the floor. Ignore that one on the floor. That one just fell out from the bottom of that. Megan Racing that I still have to, like, tighten down and everything that I don't have tightened down. So those are fully in. So the diff is fully connected back on. I just have to find the fill plug and the drain plug so I can put those in, and then the subframe could go right back inside. And right now we're going to take a brief intermission on trying to find a drain plug and fill plug. And we will be back. Yo, this car is going to look amazing when it's actually done. Amazing. Alright, so after digging in my car, we found them. That's the bumper that I completely forgot about.
That's a pile of my stuff that was in this car.
There's more stuff. There's 100% more things in my car that are yours. But we're not looking for that right now. I think I still have like a couple more of your wrenches. A lot more of your wrenches. But I got this now. Which means that now my subframe is complete to put back. My subframe is as most as possible to put back on.
Fill's right here.
Alright, so change of plans. We're actually gonna fill my diff while it's on the ground, which is, again, this is not a how-to. This is not a how-to on anything. This whole channel is not a how-to. Do not do what we're doing. This is just because I don't care, and it could work, but yeah, I don't care. So don't ever watch these videos thinking, oh, I could just do it like this. No, you can't. You could, but
Probably shouldn't.
yeah, that's a high percentage of chance that you probably shouldn't do what we do. We're just trying to get these cars on the road by any means possible. So like that's the only reason.
That should be fine though.
I'm gonna grab two.
You need one of the ones that aren't on here.
What the fuck is this? So it's either this one,
Not that one.
it's either this one, it's this one. It's either this one or this one. So
36 foot-pounds.
I don't know how much 36 is, so I'm gonna just. I know there's a torque wrench like right there. That's he's about like 25.
Is there a washer on that?
No, they didn't come with washers. Well, they didn't come out either with washers, according to the one over there. They didn't come out with washers.
That should be fine.
Perfect. You said fill it now?
Well, you gotta lay it back down.
Should we put it on like jack stands and stuff or no?
No, I think it should be fine. Just like
Alright.
flat on the ground.
Made out. Just so we have video proof, this is getting set right there, and we are hopefully not losing it. I need to check. Should be enough space. Lay it right back down. If you fall. Yo, perfect.
Oh, it's back down.
That shit.
If anything, wait, pick the front up and see how much it teeters. I think that's good.
Yo, I'm not gonna lie. Go ahead. Yo, so look, right? We are cutting this right here. Tight, and I know I could have just pulled it off, but I want to look professional. So what am I doing?
You're recording, I'm holding. Alright, so now
Oh,
we're
he's
gonna
recording. Yeah.
fill up the diff while it's on the ground because it's a lot easier than in the car. We're using
Should be chilling.
Super Tech.
Yeah, we're using Super Tech full synthetic gear lubricant, 75W90. This is the closest thing that I could find. You could get this at your local Wally World. What if I just take the top off?
Yeah, actually do that.
Like instead of just like.
Yeah, because mine I had to pour the bottle right into the diff.
Oh, you have a truck. This is a Lexus IS350. Okay, I might not want to do that. That's gonna take a minute. Yeah, so this is the part where you actually like just put music behind it.
Speed it up full speed.
Like 5 times speed. Yeah, bro.
So we're done with the first bottle. We're moving now on to the second bottle.
Oh, there's still some in there.
Yeah, there's still some.
That's gonna take a while. And there we go. We also looked it up online to see how much, like, what's the capacity on it, and it doesn't say like a specific thing. So I'm gonna just keep pouring until it actually starts like, to pour out, because that means it's filled. It's filled all the way, and that's where I'm gonna leave it at, because I'm not doing that. It's still pouring in there.
Yeah.
It has to go somewhere.
Should be good.
Yo, this one expired on 4/11/2024.
Ah, it's fine.
I think I still use this one.
Yeah.
Alright, so let's see. It should only be like 4 pours, I think. Yeah. Don't fall. Don't fall.
Alright, and then we're gonna cut back now to the montage of waiting for this all to fill, at least until it starts leaking. Alright, so it's leaking. So
Yeah, I think it's done now.
basically full.
I don't know who added more, but that's so I'm pouring it right back.
Yeah, pull it up like with your finger.
Shut up before it's consumed. Yeah, that's actually done.
Alright, so now we got the fill plug. Putting that back in because it's starting to leak.
How did people do this? Oh, like that.
Usually underneath the car.
Oh yeah. They don't usually take the subframe out to do this.
No. Gonna title the video, drop the subframe to do the diff fluid. That's looking kind of what we did though.
Yeah.
Well, and the diff bushings, but.
And upper control arms. So this now should be clean. This is still dirty, like very, very dirty.
From what?
From the dirt that it fell right there. It literally fell right on that floor, and someone's been having like that floor very dirty. So I'm the someone. Cause then, wait. So people be going under this?
Yeah.
How? Hold on. Let me see. I'm so focused on getting this in, cause if it falls again, I'm gonna have to clean it, and I don't want to do that. Oh, I'm goated. Alright, what's the impact?
Yeah, bro. You can't get even a regular wrench in there.
Yeah, so I don't understand how I'm supposed to do this. Well, now that it's filled, I think we can put it on the side. Or like raise it up or something. See, the smart way, always torque everything. Yeah.
That's quick.
And just like that, the subframe is good to go in.
Yeah.
So you know what that means? Yo, so this concludes the video today. We could easily, that's a whole entire video just right there.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is done. So, well. So now that the bushings are all in, the diff is filled. Actually, yeah, everything's done.
Yeah.
This is basically done now. All I have to do is just put it like back up. But that will not happen on this video, nor today. So you guys will see this hopefully one day. But for right now, that is done, and we will see all of you guys next time, because yeah. It's fucking drift montage.
Yeah, bro.
Yeah, I didn't go drifting yet. I gotta go drifting one day.